This is a 2013 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include heated seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front side impact airbags, a HomeLink feature, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 26,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.